After an interesting morning, we finally made it to Loseley Park. Loseley Park is a large Tudor manor style house with later additions and modifications 3 miles southwest of Guildford, Surrey, England, in Artington, close to the hamlet of Littleton, aka here. The stones were brought from the ruins of Waverley Abbey. The new house replaced a smaller one, which Elizabeth I declared was not adequate for her to visit, according to Wikipedia. The estate was acquired by the direct ancestors of the current owners at the beginning of the 16th century, the More-Molyneux family. Its assets were 2 hides. I don't know what a hide is. The hide was an English unit of land intended to represent the amount of land sufficient to support a household. It was traditionally to be taken 120 acres. the loosely walled garden. The walled garden was based on a design by Gertrude Jekyll. It contains a series of rooms with different themes running through them. We've gone through an herb garden, a flower garden, but they each have a different theme to them. There's the white garden and most recently the organic vegetable and cut flower garden. The present house was built between 1562 and 1568 with stones brought from the ruins of Waverley Abbey. Several different movies were filmed here, such as Sense and Sensibility in 2008, Emma in 2009, The Special Relationship in 2010, and a few series such as The Crown, The Favorite and Rebecca, and Midsummer Murders, as well as several others.
Yeah, Midsummer Murders has been running for 22 seasons in the UK.
Really? And it says that the house is open to the public, but they didn't ask us if we wanted to go in, so, and they said the family still lives here. So maybe it's only open at special times. But it was beautiful to walk around. We love the gardens. Join us next time. And like and subscribe.
I like it. Bloopers.
Yeah. This present house behind me was built between in Artington, close to the hamlet of Littleton, aka here. The estate. Was that not good? The More-Molyneux family. Several different movies were filmed here. The crunching of the grass. Okay, several different movies were filmed here, such as The Midsummer Murders, although I think that's a... Okay, wait, let me start over.
Woo! Water bottle's open.